I'm back. Don't mind the noise in the back. Today we're going to be doing unapproachable makeup. I feel like I'm very approachable. I don't really have like a mean face, I think. But anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so first we're going to start off with some foundation. I look so pale, but next I'm going to add some concealer. Next, I'm gonna add some powder. Next, I'm gonna add some light powder. Next, I'm gonna add some contour. Next, I'm gonna go in with some blush. I really need to buy more of this blush because look. Next, I'm gonna go in with some highlight. Next, we're gonna go in with some eyeshadow. I got this new palette. I love it. Next, I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to be using this shade, so... Okay, next I'm going to use some of this sparkly shade right here. Next, I'm going to add some mascara. You can see the glitter here. Okay. Next, I'm gonna add some eyeliner. I like to do it off camera, so yeah. Next, I'm gonna go with some lip balm. Next, I'm gonna add some lip gloss. Setting spray. Okay guys, this is the look. I tried my best. Thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.